Good morning, student. I am going to continue chapter 1 language of chemistry, and in this video I am going to explain you about the naming of acid. So let us know the rule to name acid. First, naming of binary acid are given by adding a prefix hydro and suffix ic. Let us understand of the naming of the acid with the help of example. HCl. So dear student, it is known as a binary acid and a prefix hydro and the suffix ic is being used. So let us know the acid is known as a hydrochloric acid. So dear student, a prefix hydro and suffix ic is being used. Let us see one more example. HF, known as a hydrofluoric acid. So this way the binary acid are given name. Let us know the second rule. Naming of acid containing radicals of polyatomic group are given on the basis of second element in the molecules and the prefix hydro is not used. Prefix hydro is not used. So dear student, the second way of the naming the acid, naming of the acid containing radicals of the polyatomic and given on the basis of the second element in molecules and the prefix hydro is not being used. Let us understand with the help of the example, dear student. H2SO4. So the particular name of the acid will be given as sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. So dear student, you see here in this particular acid, the name will start from the second element of the molecule. Let us see one more example. HNO3, known as a nitric acid. So dear student, these are the two methods to name the acid. Next I am going to explain you about the trivial names. What do you mean by the trivial name? Trivial name. There are certain compounds with name that do not follow systematic rule. Such names are known as trivial name or common name. So dear student, what do you mean by the trivial name? Let us know about it. There are certain compounds with the name that do not follow any systematic rules. Such names are known as a trivial name, dear student. Means the name of the compound which do not follow any systematic rule for naming the compound, and the name of the compound is known as a trivial name. So let us understand with the help of example. NH3, dear student. As it is known as a ammonia, but according to the systematic rule, it is known as a nitrogen trihydride. According to the systematic rule, it is known as a nitrogen trihydride, but as a trivial name, NH3 is known as a ammonia. Let us see one more example. H2O. The common name is water, known as a water, as in the systematic way of the naming, it is known as a hydrogen monoxide or dihydrogen oxide. So dear student, these are the few rules to name the acid and the some compound which do not follow any systematic rule for the naming, known as a trivial name or common name. So please you learn it and practice to name the particular compound. Thank you, dear students.